Okay, so let's go through this 2015 paper 1 question physics. Okay, so we have got three network, right? So of course the first one, W, is a pure parallel circuit. Then for X, right, is a pure series. And for the last one, right, the Y is actually a hybrid. So what is a hybrid circuit? Hybrid circuit just means you consist of a parallel and of course a series circuit. Okay, so let's determine our W first. The total resistance of W, right? Okay, W is a pure parallel, meaning that you need to use the formula. So for example, the formula is 1 over R, which is the total resistance, is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. So this will give you about 2255. Okay, 5 over 20. But of course, don't forget to flip. So meaning you flip become 20 divided by 5. So this will give you 4 ohm. Okay, so the X, the so-called the pure series, this one is simple because you just need to add up. So 10 plus 20 plus 10, right? So this whole thing is 40 ohm. Okay, the last one is a hybrid. Okay, when you look at a hybrid circuit, very simple. You just need to deal with the parallel part first. So for the parallel part, you can just add up. So for example, I teach you a long cut and a short cut. Okay, so the first one is 1 over R is equal to 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10. So that is the parallel component, right? So it's 2 over 10, and after that you flip. So you flip, become 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5 ohm. So that is the long cut of doing a parallel component. Okay, of course there's a shortcut. Okay, the shortcut you use it only for the MCQ. And of course, especially when you're dealing with two resistors that is the same value and they are in parallel configuration. Okay, so to use the shortcut, you simply just need to memorize this formula. So the resistance, right, is equal to the value of resistance divided by the number of resistors. Okay, so of course the value of resistor is 10, right? So just put 10, divide by how many resistors are there. So of course we are just talking about the two parallel part. So this is the first one, this is the second one. So 1 and 2. So means you just divide by 2. So this will give you 5 ohm. Yeah, so that's the shortcut. And of course got limitation. This shortcut is only for resistors, right, that has the same value. But of course if you have different value, then you cannot use already. Okay, so after you determine it's 5, okay, so now I redraw the circuit, right? So this whole thing is 5 ohm, this is 20 ohm. So of course you just add up. So you add up, you become 20 plus 5, 25 ohm. So these are the three total resistance. Okay, so let me just write down the W. Okay, W, the resistance is 4 ohm. Okay, X is 40. And of course, Y, the last one, right, is 25. Then they ask us to determine from smallest resistance to the network of largest resistance. Okay, smallest should be W, followed by Y, followed by X. Yeah, so the answer should be B.